Good morning Titans Iligan, good morning Titans Global Support. We are here live at Titans Abu Dhabi Training Center base, di ba? Ito yung bahay ng isa sa ating associate. Anyway, we're doing this video for a very special upline from Iligan City, our colleagues sa Iligan. Name ni Jason Mariano. Bro, happy birthday. Di ba? You're young and stay happy in love. So, greetings from Titans Abu Dhabi team. So, ako lang intro ng taga-bridge lang ng surprise na to. So, I hope you like this clip. Here goes.
Happy birthday of mine, Jason. God bless and more birthdays to mom.
Hello! I'm Jackie. Happy birthday, Jason.
Ayun.
From Abu Dhabi team, Titans team.
Hi, Upline! Ako si Upline Beach, tagal Cagayan de Oro, Bisaya, Gabon, Dacoy. Happy birthday and stay in love!
Ako din si Upline Gistoni. Happy birthday and more birthday to comes. More blessings. Salamat pag accept na ako. Pag-request pala sa friend. Sa FB.
Jason, happy birthday. God bless you. Wish you all the best and pray always and the love that love never dies. Love can be a good boy. Bye.
Hi, Upline Jason. Wish you happy birthday and more power to you.
Yun, some of the teams na greet mo. And lastly but not the least, di ba? Downline mo siya but apply sa mong heart. Very special and dear person si Muha. Nalo siya ay surprise. In few minutes makita mo siya touch pa. So, please watch the next clip.
Happy birthday! Good morning! Saan may oras din ha? Bisaya tayo. Anyway, I love you! Pakatawa ko na yung take care. Always prayer. Guards ka natin din, Mel. Wala ako yung message. Uy, nagkaulaw ko kayo na agad natin yung mag-speak ko ako gumawa. Pero sige lang, first time. Sige na, bye-bye. God bless. Miss you more, Momo.